Hey there, folks! Today, I've got a hilarious story about Granny and her wild adventure on social media. Grab your popcorn because this is one for the books. So, Granny, bless her heart, decided to join the world of social media. She wanted to stay connected with her grandkids and see what all the fuss was about. Little did she know, the internet had a few tricks up its sleeve. One fine morning, she stumbled upon a post that said, "Congratulations, you've won a free cruise to the Bahamas." Now, who wouldn't want a free vacation, right? Granny was over the moon. She clicked the link, filled out her details, and eagerly waited for her confirmation email. But wait, it gets better. Granny then received a message from a so-called cruise representative asking for her bank details to secure her spot. Oh boy, poor Granny thought it was all legit. She quickly typed in her info and hit send. Moments later, her phone rang. It was her daughter, laughing hysterically. "Mum, what did you do?" she asked between fits of giggles. Granny was confused. "I won a cruise," she proudly declared. Turns out, it was all a big prank set up by her tech-savvy grandson. He had created a fake website just to see if Granny would fall for it. And fall for it she did, hook, line, and sinker. Granny's face turned 1,000 shades of red, but soon she was laughing along with the rest of the family. She couldn't believe she'd been fooled so easily. So, the moral of the story? Always double-check before giving out your information online. And if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you enjoyed this little tale, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep smiling and stay savvy out there.